Guys, today we're going to be showing you all my nerf stuff. So these are all my nerf stuff. This is my mask to protect my face. This is my armor, my gun. And this is a small handgun. This is a medium-sized shooter. This is the smallest shooter. This is the ball gun. We're missing one because there's the magazines that I've got. This is the longest shooter. This is a shield. This is a shield. So you pull this at the back there. You pull it across like that. It comes around like a shield. And this button here, this is to open it up. And you pull this trigger here. It's really hard to pull. And then you press this and the bullets come out. So put this one back. And this. So that is all for today. So see you soon. Bye.